weavers, iron smelters, and factory owners. Case study Delhi. The British government took the control of Indian Empire from English East India Company after the revolt of 1857. The capital of India was shifted from Calcutta to Delhi in 1911. New Delhi, a new administrative and political area, was designed by a team of British architects led by Edward Lutyens and Herbert Baker. New Delhi was a symbol of the imperial power of the British. Before independence, Rashtrapati Bhavan, known as the Viceregal Lodge. It is a fusion of Hindu, Islamic and European architecture. During the colonial period, the Parliament House, North Block, South Block, India Gate and Connaught Place were built in New Delhi, which lasts to this day. India Gate was connected to Rashtrapati Bhavan by Rajpath. Lutyens planned New Delhi to have wide, tree-lined avenues in comparison to the old city of Shahjahabad. To construct these buildings, red and cream sandstone were used. Delhi consists of 7 cities, with New Delhi being the 8th. Each city has its own history, culture, and tradition. For our future generation, we should preserve our nation's heritage.